Alright, I had to go live with GameStop here. I tweeted a little bit ago that I was hoping it would come into my number. I took a tiny position at 47.50, I think, and then 46.07 is what I'm really waiting for. I don't like the reaction so far, but that's okay. The risk reward on this is so tiny, the risk I mean, because if it dips below my 46.07 hard, then I'm just gonna get out. So I have a small 100 shares. It's no big deal. I'm just looking for all the panic selling to ensue here and pick it up at the bottom, and then I'm looking for a reaction off 46.07. If I don't get a reaction off 46.07, then pretty much going to get out of the trade and reevaluate. So I think this is kind of the moment of truth. Probably going to give it a little bit of time, maybe till 11:30 to play out. But look how close, 46.88. I mean, we're getting there. We got a little mini reaction there. It's tough to do this in real time and also focus on trading and doing this video at the same time, but I thought this was a pretty cool opportunity. Also just tweeted about SAVA, how it was hitting an important area too. Look how it spiked through my number, and now it's coming back. We needed to get above the 20 period on the 10-minute chart, and to get that ABC pattern. When I say ABC pattern, it's the mini little A leg up, B leg down, and then the C leg to complete above this candle, which I've been looking for 66. That's my number. 65, 66 by 11:30 would really spark a nice rally on Cassava and SAVA. What else were we looking at? Tilray. Wow. Blasted through my number, and I also just tweeted about this. Got stopped there, and then right up, and I was saying it could go to 45 to 46 in the last tweet, which it's doing right now, and now looks like 43.63. 44 could be our new support. Let's see how that goes. 43.70 is the low right now, and lower 43. Okay, so it's a nice little pullback there, profit taking. Let's see what game's doing. Still 46.88. There's really nothing going on with it right now. It's kind of weird. I was expecting a little more volume. And let's go back to the other ones. I tweeted tomorrow is another one we talked about earlier, and yesterday. I was pretty much down to like no shares on this, so didn't really like where it's going at this point. I was hoping for 40. Looks like we haven't gotten there yet. And sTNG. Did that again. Look at, if the last video I talked about how we made this nice low here and we've gone up since, we've got to get back above the open here and at least get above this red line here, which is the 50 period moving average on the 10-minute chart. Go back to GameStop. I wonder if the other meme stocks per se are moving too. Not so much. So it's not having a good reaction. I'm not loving this, although I am up. It's a positive trade so far. We found support kind of right between my numbers. So not complaining, just kind of wondering why nothing's really happening right now. I would have expected a bigger reaction, so I'm going to be really careful with this. I thought this would be a much cooler video, considering we were kind of flushing down into that territory. So just got to give it some time, be patient. Look how Tilray spiked that number. The numbers aren't perfect, but they certainly are good approximations and good guidelines to follow. When you believe in your numbers and you know that you've charted it correctly, you can see it in play and you can see it happening in real time. And if the numbers are not respected, the chart's not respected, then I like to reevaluate and see what was going on. Either I did something wrong or you just have to rethink it. That'll be it for now. I'm going to check back in a little bit. Please subscribe and please follow me on Twitter. And remember, don't let the trade control you.